Chia seeds. Oh, chia seeds. Let me tell you everything you need to know about these tiny powerhouses. First off, they are loaded with nutrients like fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. These little seeds are like a nutritional gold mine. One of the coolest things about chia seeds is their ability to absorb liquid and form a gel-like consistency. This makes them a fantastic ingredient for puddings, smoothies, and even as an egg substitute in baking. Plus, they can help you feel full and satisfied, making them a great addition to your weight management journey. But wait, there's more. Chia seeds are also known for their potential health benefits. They may help lower blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and improve heart health. It's like they're superheroes in seed form. And let's not forget about their versatility. You can sprinkle them on top of yogurt, oatmeal, or salads for a crunchy texture, or mix them into your favorite baked goods for a healthy twist. The possibilities are endless. So, whether you're looking to boost your nutrient intake, manage your weight, or simply add some extra crunch to your meals, chia seeds are definitely worth incorporating into your diet. Trust me, these little seeds may be small, but they sure pack a mighty punch.